Okay, so this is my first channel that appearing for inauthentic content, and it is successful, so it can be monetized again. I think I submit so many channel here for my clients, and this is the first channel. When I submit the video to YouTube and they decided to reinstate or to get this channel monetized again. So in this video, I will show you how to make the video. So show you different part of the appeal video. So hopefully it can be helpful for you. So recently I published some inauthentic content video on this channel, and I think it is crazy for YouTube to demonetize such channel, because normally we just use AI to create images, voiceover, and also create video using CapCut or Filmora or any editing program. So we just create story, and I think it is good for YouTube because we just invent the story and we create story video. It is not mass produced stuff like that, but they just demonetized every channel here on the platform. So now they have a new regulation on this appeal process. So they let the creator to create a video to appeal for that. So, and this is my first channel that get monetized again after inauthentic content demonetized. Okay, so it is good news for you. By the way, in this video, I will just show you the video. If you want to make the same video, you can just follow along, follow my instruction here. Or if you want to ask me to make the video for you, you can just find the information in the description. I have a service here for my Vietnamese customer. By the way, if you are overseas from India, UK, stuff like that, if you want, you can just find the information in the description. We can talk via email or stuff like that, okay? So first thing first, we talk about inauthentic content. For example, this is a story channel, and we got this one, inauthentic content. So it was demonetized few days ago, okay? So content that appear mass produced or repetitive increase views without adding significant educational or other value. So when you produce video for YouTube, remember, do not just trying to do the same thing all the time, just create the same video all the time, the same title, the same thumbnail, and the same story all the time, or the same editing style. So that could be inauthentic content, okay? And remember, do not use tool to produce video. Mass produce, meaning that you use some kind of tools or software to produce a video, or you produce just follow one template, stuff like that, you will be demonetized, inauthentic content. Okay, so when doing the video, we need to focus on mass produce. So trying to prove that you are not using tools or not using any software to produce the video. That is the first point. And the second point is that you have to show YouTube that each video is unique. So it is not just the same all the time, not the same value all the time. You have to show them when you write the script. It could be you write the script, or you can ask AI to write the script, but you have to be the last person to check the script and finish the script. And after that, you can do voiceover and create images also. And do not just create one image, because it is important. Just one image and just for the whole video, 3 hours, 4 hours, it is not good, and it will be inauthentic content, okay? But when you get this one, this notification from YouTube, you can click this button to see the requirement for the video, okay? So you can click here. So first up, you have to film your video in a supported language. Normally here, I will not speak English in my appeal video. I just speak Vietnamese, and it is good to go. It is supported language. And the second thing, you have to keep your video under 5 minutes. So it is important. Do not make long video like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, because I know that you have many things to explain in your video, but you have to keep it under 5 minutes. If it is longer than 5 minutes, they don't have time to watch your video. So they would just reject the appeal, okay? So that is the second thing. The next thing, you have to show or mention your channel URL within the first 30 seconds. Normally, I would make it 30 seconds plus 12 frame or 15 frame. Sometimes it is 31 seconds. It is okay. You have to copy and paste the URL, like adding text and then put the URL right there. Okay, so that is the third important requirement when you do the appeal. And number 4, mention the reviewer feedback and tell us why it is a mistake. So talk about your whole channel and how you produce the video. This is important because each channel will have different style of creating content. So you have to show them from the script, from the images creation, and from the editing process, and how you produce the thumbnail and how you upload your video to YouTube. So that's important. And also show them that you upload the video without any copyright claim or community guideline strike, stuff like that. So this is important for you. And remember, if you do short and long video, you have to pick the one that get most view on your channel. Okay, most view, because it will be the symbol for your channel. Okay, so next up, you have to paste the URL right here and just put it unlisted, and then copy the link or the URL and paste it right here at this section, and then click the submit button. That is the basic requirement for your video. Now let me show you my appeal video so that you can follow along and you can produce the same video. Okay, so this is in Filmora. By the way, you can use other video editing program. Okay, so first up, you have the first 2 minutes. About 2 minutes, you have to talk about your video. So at the first section, I put myself talking head video like this, whole screen, and this is the URL for the channel. So it will be 30 seconds. Okay, so just add a box right here, a title box, and explain about your channel. And next up, I create a face mask here and talk about why, explaining why it is a mistake. Okay, so after we finish the first part, it will be 2 minutes, and then we do the screen recording with the voiceover down here. So for the screen recording, this is an AI story channel. So the first thing I explain about the script, how I write the script, and how I ask AI to write the script, and how I correct the script. So this is the first part, and maybe it take about 50 seconds or just less than 1 minute. If your screen recording is too long, you can just fast forward 4 times, 5 times, it is okay. Okay, so next up we have voiceover part, and it takes about 20 seconds for the voiceover part. And for the image creation, image and video creation, it takes about another 30 seconds, stuff like that. Okay, and finally we have the editing process. So we use CapCut or Filmora or any editing program here, and we just add some effect and transition and do just normal editing, and then we export it, and we have another section here showing them how we generate the thumbnail. And the last part could be a talking head video again. So tell them, hey, I finished my process, and just ask them to get your channel monetized again. So that's all about the appeal video. And you see here, it is less than 5 minutes. Okay, so it is less than 5 minutes, 4 minutes 58 seconds, and I have to just speed up some part and cut off some part to make it less than 5 minutes. It is important. Okay, so by doing this, you can export it to Full HD or anything and upload it to your YouTube channel and submit the appeal video. So that's everything you want to know about how to create an appeal video for inauthentic content. And I hope it is helpful for you and you can get your channel back. Okay, so that's everything for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. If you have any question, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye for now.